Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. That's 7 uploads in 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. If you're interested in participating, check the description below. Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. And today my shoutout is for the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. So the channel is put on by Paul and Kelly. They have a classic tiki bar, and actually they inspired me to start a YouTube channel. So in the words of Sammy Davis Jr., Paul and Kelly, from the bottom, babe, from the bottom. So they do retro home videos, they have boozy music videos. Kelly's extremely talented and hilarious. They have Cousin Glendora on Mondays. Cousin Glendora is my favorite. You have to check them out. And they actually do live streams with conversations and cocktails. This is truly a retro party. Like you watch their live stream, it's just like going to a party back in the 1950s. I just love it. It's one of my favorite channels. So again, that's the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. And actually around Christmas time, I made a drink in their honor. It was a Blue Velvetini. I'll put the link up for my Blue Velvetini episode, and that was dedicated to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. So again, in honor of the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, I'm going to try to make some kind of retro recipe. I probably won't be able to do it justice, but we'll give it a try. And Kelly, I promise I won't dress up as Glendora to do it. All right, we'll see how that recipe goes. All right, Mookie and I are back at the Tiki Bar. We've coordinated our outfits. I know Paul and Kelly sometimes coordinate their outfits, so we did that in honor of them. And Mookie has come up with the perfect retro dish. I'm going to do an upside-down pineapple cake in a skillet. Great suggestion, Mookie. All right, so coming up, my upside-down pineapple cake. All right, here we go. That's an equivalent of 1 stick of butter melting in my cast iron skillet. And then we have a cup of brown sugar. And we're going to do a splash of vanilla extract. Got a little bit of rum, a little bit of pirate rum. You want to keep that away from an open flame. This isn't a flambe recipe, but we'll put a little bit in there. Alright, so we're going to get the pineapples down first. Remember, this is an upside down cake, so this will be the top of the cake. Alright, and then the cherries go in the middle. A Betty Crocker. It's called Rainbow Bit. I guess they're not legally entitled to call it confetti cake, but it's confetti cake to me. I love confetti cake. So just, I got the batter already mixed up. Just follow the directions on the back. Dead easy. All right, folks, here's the moment of truth. Ta-da! Oh, I have 2 pineapples missing. All right, there you have it. My upside down pineapple cake. Thanks for watching Chappy's Tiki Bar. This was the hashtag Chappy7 Shoutout Challenge. See in the description below for full rules and if you want to participate. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.